Very good evening, folks. We're in Cars Live. This is your Shiraz. Today, we bring a very good deal on a luxurious sedan, the Honda City Ivy Tech 1.5 liter petrol manual VMT AVN with sunroof top end variant. The top end variant comes loaded with features like dual airbags, ABS alloys, power steering, power windows, steering controls, cruise control options, sunroof, climate control, leather interiors, armrest, central locking with remote, reverse sensor with camera, navigation, touchscreen, and many more features loaded onto it. It's a 2013 model single owner car, driven about 75,000 kilometers, and has brand new tires and brand new comprehensive insurance valid till next year as well. So basically, you don't have to spend a single rupee on this one. This beautiful car sedan, priced at just rupees 4,90,000 only and slightly negotiable. You also get 1 year comprehensive warranty as well. The warranty covers on engine, gearbox and clutch, and this is powered and sponsored by Dr. Wheels, exclusively available only at Cars Live only and nowhere else. We have 5-star Google rating. Our store is located in Bangalore, JP Nagar Central Mall, very closer to it. You can search us on Google Maps and even follow us on YouTube channel as well and see the entire reviews and the details of the car. So let's explain the entire detailed analysis of the car. We explain the entire body analysis, mechanical condition, interiors, pricing and loan details will all be mentioned. Stay tuned and watch the full video coming right away. Like I said, this is a beautiful maroon color Honda City Ivy Tech VMT top end with AVN and with sunroof top end variant. A beautiful borderline, no scratches, no dents. I have removed most of the scratches from the front bumper. Has been painted once. I've got it painted. The backside back door has been painted once. Just to remove scratches and dents, I got them painted. I can see there are no scratches here on the right side front door. You can see all doors, company ceilings all intact here. No accidents, nothing on the car whatsoever. Very neat and cleanly aligned. Even the A pillars and the B pillars are all genuine and in original condition. No accidents there. The right side back door has been painted once. So it's all genuine now. No accidents. You can see double lining ceiling is all intact. That means no accidents on the car. Very neat and clean condition. Even the C pillars are also all genuine and in original condition. No accidents there. The quarter pillar panel also has been painted once. Just small touch up paint done. Back bumper is also has been painted right there. The boot is in original color. The boot is not painted. Let's open the bonnet and just check. Let me open the bonnet from the door. It doesn't open. Right there. And the bonnet. You can see neat and clean at the bonnet also. Nice large space, about more than 300 liter boot space. We have nice the ceiling on the right side panel is all genuine here, and even on the left side panels, as you can see, is all genuine, no accidents. Even the bonnet boot condition all genuine here. The back boot space, tire is also almost like brand new, so hardly less driven tires as well. Both are all Apollo tires, so you have all 5 tires almost in brand new condition there. With all toolkits, everything intact. You can see the left side of the body line as well. Very beautifully kept. No scratches, no dent, nothing. Left side back door has been painted once. I only got it done with the running board just to avoid some scratches and remove some scratches there. But the door is all genuine and accident free. No accident, nothing on the car. As you can see, this has boot door is all genuine here. Even the C pillars are also all in genuine and in original condition there. The left side front door also is all genuine. No accidents. Genuine. Even the left side front door is also genuine and in original condition. Very neat. Like I said, even all the tires, let's say all tires, like I said, all almost brand new, all 100% lifeless on the tires. All MRF tires right there, all brand new in condition, and all alloys. All the 4 tires, as you can see, are all in brand new condition. All with alloys. Also comes the central locking with remote and indicator reflectors too. At the front side you have fog lamps. The type 2 chrome grille shape you get in 2013 model with the AVN. And you can see the aprons on the right side. Aprons company seal can is all intact here, with all genuine, no accident. The lower cross number, upper cross numbers, the headlight support, everything is all in genuine condition. No accident there. Even on the left side, as you can see, the bumper support, headlight support is all genuine here. No accidents. In the apron on the left side apron is all genuine there. No accident. The Amaron battery is all good in condition. About maybe 60% life left on the battery as well. There's no acid reflect, nothing. Engine, however, is a sealed condition engine. This is a sealed engine. No repair, nothing work done till date so far. It shows that driven as 74,000 kilometers, but I don't know whether this is recorded or not. Odometer we don't guarantee, but the engine is just fantastic. The petrol 1.5 liter IVTEC petrol engine gives a good mileage of 13 to 14 in city and about 15 to 16 in highways depending on driver and the driving condition. Engine condition is just compartment just superb, very neat and clean, just been serviced as well. So all oil, air filter, everything has been done. You don't have to spend on a single rupee. It's a single owner maintained and driven car. So that's the Honda City 2013 model. Let's show you the interiors. As you can see on the interiors, you have all 4 doors, power windows right there, electronic mirror adjustments, ORVM. You have leather interiors at the front option, and seat height and length increment and adjustment too. And at the back also you have the power window option at the back and armrest, leather interiors, quite neat in condition at the back side as well. Front side, more features. Like I said, it's driven 74,000 kilometers showing record, and it has a nice inbuilt multimedia music system with navigator, USB, aux, Bluetooth, everything, Explorer, everything all there. GPS, CD player, it's a touchscreen. So right there it's working fine, and you have the steering controls, audio video mode, and you have the navigator cruise control options right there on the right side. Steering as well, steering mounted, dual airbag, one airbag for the driver, and you have the another airbag, SRS airbag for the co-driver passenger as well. Dual airbags, ABS and alloys, AC controls, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. And you also have a reverse cam with sensor as well. There you go, that's the reverse camera with sensor too. So that's the option. And the other best part is the automatic sunroof right here. You can see automatic sunroof, open and close. So there you go. So folks, it's a very beautiful car, a 2013 model Honda City IVTEC VMT top end with AVN with sunroof, 2013 model single owner car, petrol manual edition, a 1.5 liter petrol engine. It's a single owner, has brand new insurance valid till next year June 2021, has almost all 5 new tires, basically not a single rupee to be spent on the car. You also get 1 year comprehensive warranty as well. The warranty covers on engine, gearbox and clutch too. And the car is priced just 4,90,000 and slightly negotiable. You also get easy loans on EMI as well. Up to 80% loan can be done on this car. That means I can get you loan up to 4 lakh close to it. Give me a down payment of just 80,000 rupees, 80 to 90,000, and this car can be all yours. You can be a proud owner of this car. A luxurious sedan in the city and long drives. Fantastic with NCAP global crashes, 5-star ratings as well. And even Cars Live also has Google 5-star ratings too. So don't forget to subscribe us on our YouTube channel as well, and follow on Instagram too. And please share this video if you like it. Share it to your friends and colleagues who wants to buy a car. Tell them to come down to Cars Live and have a look at a collection. Fall in love with this. And if you really like the car of the video, all you have to do is just make an advance online on Google Pay. Give me 10,000 advance, block the car. We'll start a loan process right at your doorstep wherever you are in Bangalore, and this car can be delivered to your home location in Bangalore itself, free of cost. Home delivery will be done. Thank you for watching Cars Life.